definitely need that. My phone. Where's my keys?
Oh, on the Melissa channel. It goes to Arctic.
Goes to Arctic Monkeys. Goes back to 2014.
It's crazy, right?
We all want a teenage mutant ninja turtle, but which one could turn you into Squirtle?
She's so pretty.
Yo, she is too.
Okay, we'll have to put the pictures, but we are literally black and white, like
She's Space Age Country Girl, and there better be a mirror ball.
yeah.
Like,
So. Okay, I'm not trying to get copyrighted, so I'll just sing it. Space Age Country Girl. So can we please be absolutely sure that there's a miracle? Thank you. Okay, I had to put my glasses back on because I can't see.
because she can't see.
But trust, I'm not be wearing them at the concert. We are at McDonald's right now because we gotta have fuel. Oh, we're eating salads.
McDonald's.
But yeah. Oh.
Anyways, what do we hope that he plays tonight? Number 1, Arabella. Number 2, Sweet Dreams, Tennessee.
I want it all or Fireside.
True. Because Space Age Country Girl. I would give that to you.
Yeah, and
In case you didn't hear last time, she's Space Age Country Girl because of her cowboy boots and her earrings. Oh my god, this is so embarrassing. It's so embarrassing.
editing Alyssa here literally ignored the people having a party next door, but they did play Arabella and they did play Fireside, so that's a win for the girls. I hope that
No, it's okay. 2.
and I hope that they play Stop the World because I wanna get out. Oh god.
Where you?
Ooh.
Who's saying all that?
Okay, well, we'll see when we're driving.
Yeah.
Bye. Do I wanna know if this feeling flows both ways? Let the sea go, so hoping that you'd stay. Okay,
So we're not getting any pictures tonight.
no, but we are here at the concert, so
But what's the point? Okay. Well, I promise I'm not making you.
It was amazing.
It was so good. Like, he somehow sounds better in person, and like the band just sounded so good.
It's 11:11. Make a wish.
You know what, Mom?
Yeah, we both wish for the same thing. But yeah, we're just waiting to get out of this parking garage and go home because our feet are like bleeding.
Yeah.
Our ears are bleeding.
Like, I'm not gonna have a voice tomorrow, but that's alright. It's fine. Do you have AirDrop on?
Yeah. Okay. Wow, I really looked like Pennywise. Anyways, so we did not do an outro. So I just want to say thank you for watching this short video, and please like and subscribe and comment your favorite Arctic Monkeys song. Mine is probably Teddy Picker or I don't know, Fireside. So yeah, thanks for watching. Alex Turner, if you're watching this, thank you for an amazing show, and if you ever want me to sing on your stage or just to be there for you, just let me know, you know? Okay, thanks, bye. Have you got color in your cheeks? You ever get that feel that you can't shift the tie that sticks around like summits in your teeth? I got some aces up your sleeve. Have you no idea that you're in deep? I dreamt about you nearly every night this week. How many secrets can you keep? Wait, what? That's the wrong lyrics.